Well, my name is Ossie Williams. I'm currently a kindergarten teacher at Dawson Elementary. This is my 4th year teaching kindergarten with the JPS school district. I taught Head Start, moved from Head Start into the public school system. I grew up on MPB, so when I hear the word MPB, I automatically think education. It's always been an educational route for me and my siblings. So from Sesame Street to Lamb Chops, MPB is just a great educational tool for our young children. There's no more pen and paper. Yes, we still use books, but technology has become one of the biggest forms of today's society. With PBS, MPB, you can download the app. So once that app is downloaded, the children will only maneuver through educational experiences, skills that we have already learned about in class. With PBS, MPB, those skills only reinforce the things that we have already talked about. It gives them a more broader aspect to learn patterns, to learn shapes, to hear alphabets, to hear sounds. So not only is coming from the teacher-led, now they have another device that they can actually learn from as well. With PBS, it's a specific website that's designed for learning. The kids may think they're having fun, but at the same time, they're learning as well. I love teaching. I consider teaching not only as a gift, but it's a passion. You have to love what you do. I love to go in and see the enthusiasm of my children, the excitement, especially when they learn goals that they thought they couldn't accomplish. And so just being a teacher is really fun.